In this video, I will show you how to play Please Donate on Roblox on a mobile device. So let's jump straight into it. So if you don't have the app installed, of course, the first thing you're going to want to do is come across to the Play Store if you're on Android, or the iTunes Store if you're on an iPhone, and go ahead and search for Roblox and download that onto your device. So once you've gone ahead and done that, what you're going to want to do is make sure it's up to date, and then go ahead and open up the app and log in with your Roblox details. So once you've done that and you've logged into Roblox with your account details, you're going to be taken to a screen like this. Now what you want to do from here, if you look at the very top, you've got the search icon. So you want to press onto this and go ahead and type please donate into here and then press enter on your device. So at the very top, you can see we've got the please donate experience. So what you want to do is press onto this first and then press the play button to enter the please donate experience. So once you're in the game, what you can do is go up to any stand where it says your text here, because what you're going to want to do first is claim a stand. So you can see there's one over here, it says your text here. So you want to go up to the stand and then hold the button to claim this stand as your own. Now if you've got any game passes set up, of course this is going to automatically add them to your stand. What you can also do is further edit your stand by pressing on the edit button when you're close to it. And you can go ahead and add some text here if you want to, and you can also change the look of your stand as well. So you just want to go ahead and do that, press apply. As you can see, we've added some text. If we press the edit button again and we come up to the top and press onto the gear icon to go into the settings, you can see there's some booth models, so we can go ahead and change. However, in order to access these models, you do need to have so many Robux or gift bucks, as it's called in Please Donate, donated to you in order to use the stand. So that's how to go ahead and play Please Donate on Roblox on mobile. I hope this quick tutorial helped you out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.